Regarding the clarification on incorrect media reports on disruption figures of child adoption cases, the Central Adoption Resource Authority (CARA) has termed media reports about the figures of the disruption in the adoption cases during the last 5 years as incorrect. It said that in the recent days there have been a number of media reports giving the figures of disruption in adoption cases as 1100 during the last 5 years. In the clarification issued in the New Delhi, the CARA, the Central Adoption Resource Authority, said that the actual figures are 246 cases of disruption and 10 cases of dissolution over the period of last 5 years. The Central Adoption Resource Authority (CARA) said that it appears the figure of 1100 has been misquoted from the RTA response given by it, which also included the figures of withdrawal from the adoption process. It further stated that disruption implies returning back of the children to the institution after being placed with a family and is not a happy situation as the children face rejection and are scared for a long time. There have been also 10 cases of dissolutions during the last 5 years where parents returned their child after concluding the legal adoption process through adoption order by the court. The total number of disruption and the dissolution reported, 10 cases of dissolution during the last 5 years. What is the dissolution? Where the parents returned the child after concluding the legal adoption process through adoption order by the court. The total number of disruption and dissolution reported have been less than 2% of the total adoption under the JJ Act 2015 and not approximately 6% as has been reported by the print media. There is a difference between the parents withdrawing from the adoption process after accepting the profile of a child referring for various reasons and those who return the child after taking them in a pre-adoption foster care, which is called disruption. While the former is about helping parents take an informed decision of adopting the child, the latter is completely detrimental to the best interest of the child, which is the guiding principle of any organization working for the children. In order to check this trend, the CARA, Central Adoption Resource Authority, has formed a subcommittee of experts who have been traveling to different states to help them in building the capacity of social workers at the grassroots level. The CARA is an apex body of the Government of India under Ministry of Women and Child Development, promoting and facilitating in country adoptions and is designated as central authority for regulating the inter-country adoptions also.